The boys had finally reached the border into Ethiopia, barely resembling their former selves. They had passed through a world without food or water. They had survived attacks by lions and hyenas. And they had survived the bombing raids of the Northern Arab government, who wanted to see them finished off. A camp was formed in Ethiopia that provided the boys with 3 years of relative calm. But when the government of Ethiopia toppled in 1991, the Lost Boys were forced to flee once again, this time back through the Sudan towards Kenya. In the summer of 1992, international aid organizations learned about a large group of boys traveling through the desert. They set up a relief operation on the border of Sudan and waited. Then, on the horizon, from out of the wilderness, thousands of boys appeared, seemingly out of nowhere. By the time the Lost Boys crossed the border into Kenya, their numbers had been reduced to 12,000. Having trekked over 1,000 miles on foot, the boys' enduring 5-year exodus out of Sudan was over. But a new chapter of survival was just beginning.
My name is Daniel Bullfight. We spent 10 years now in Kenya. See, I'm grown very senior because of like, sometimes in the morning, sometimes no food for some day almost, sometimes man, it's a very horrible life.
You see, stomach very small.
It's very small, I want to be like this now. Our tradition, if you are fun cooking like this, your friend will say, no, I don't want you again because you are a cooker, you cook. If you cook, a lady will say, why should I go with a man who cook, That's our tradition. Cooking is for ladies.